Yeah, boogie. Yeah, uh. La Costa Nostra, put the deal on the low for the coca. Pop pills get low for the chocha. Heartache got bad, I stroke her. Now you know I keep the mochas. Red bone, yellow bone with the loafers. Mug like Amarosa, but I poke her. I am hard in the pain. O'Neal down low on the poster. Pop still get low for a roaster. My sound underground like gophers. Still I wish a nigga would, you diva. Hot block, drop top, two-seater. Do straight on the bay of my Tigo. Try snitch, get stitched like Lilo. Average bad bitch, my stilo. Going bust a big file like bingo. Just talking my shit, Trey Wingo. Talking money, now you talking my lingo. Write a book about them Ozothello. Them dudes tryna jump my level. DJ gon' pump my levels. Pump bass, more stairs, more treble. Long about money, I say I'm with it. Ain't gotta use gloves, I say I did it. Niggas cross over like AI did it. Beat the beat down like Layla, A-Lie. I'm the shit stay locked, Maylocks. 5 grand on the hand like rank pots. Trapped up, strapped up, I stay hot. White girl, yo, water my Baywatch. Don't approach us. I'm dumping like Scarface, coked up. Deadline, tongue tied with your throat cut. Strawberry low, don't donuts. Freaky little bitch want to bone up. Come earn his money, get bonus. Head banging, head gang, curl toes up. Downside word of mouth, throw bows up. Hard grind on the side like bow cuts. Going weight on the scale like cold cuts. So don't provoke us. Just pay us what you owe us. Cause I see them dollar signs, you can tell I do. Whipping up points on point of view. Pyrex and peripheral. Dollars we be getting to. All my shit so fly on this. First Friday drop by on this. Don't blame me cause he told this shit. Good guy, bad guy, both get hit. Blame me cause I wrote this shit. Blame me like a arsenic. Banging here the cartilage rip. Boston's I'm in office with. Part in my departure, but dismissals aren't often. I go in it, then I kill it and deliver you a carcass. I am strapped up like a harness. Swarming like we hornets. Hold you for that bling, then we wear it like we bought it. Cause this right here is Boogie Gone Bad. This the Deadline 2. Black zipper, black bag. This right here is Boogie Gone Bad. This the Deadline 2. Deadline 2.